dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. We have started this new decoration series where I'm going to show you some easy decor ideas which you can implement to decorate your home. So here I am again with one more video where I'm going to show you 3 easy setups to style your living room with sofa. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video now.
Mostly we occupy 2 walls in the living space with a corner, and we usually do a basic setup of keeping the sofa in the corner, either a proper L-shaped sofa or a setup of 2 or 3 seater sofa like this. This is a basic arrangement, and I'm going to play around keeping in mind that most of us have this basic setup at home. For this setup, first I'm going to push the 2-seater sofa a little apart so as to create enough space to keep a bookshelf in the corner. Bookshelf like this is ideal to occupy or to decorate the corners in the living room. You can decorate it with many things like create a small book corner here, keep plants, or keep it simple by keeping artifacts of your choice. It instantly adds drama and makes the corner look interesting. Now adjust the sofa's corner according to the bookshelf to make a neat finish near it. Now let's move on to this corner of the sofa. Here I'm keeping a wrought iron stool and kept a placemat over it to give it a earthy tone. Now, decor is completely your choice. Play with things you have in your home like a candle holder, incense holder, flowers in a vase, and a small decor item to make it look attractive. Just in front of iron stool, I keep these live plants. Add 2 to 3 plants and make sure that it's of different height, so that your eyes don't settle at one plant and it should move in different level. This is a rule of thumb when it comes to decoration. Here in this corner, I'm keeping a floor lamp, which is in trend these days and also looks very beautiful, and you can keep it on either side of the sofa or in between the corners of the sofa. In front of the floor lamp, I keep some plants and candle holders. The decor will be incomplete without these lighting things. Keep the cushions on the sofa. Now, if the color of your sofa is dark like mine, try to keep the bright or light colored cushion covers on it. If you have a light colored sofa, you can keep light colored cushions as well as dark colored. Both goes well with light tones of sofa. Don't forget to decorate your coffee table, because this coffee table is the only thing everyone going to look at when sitting on the sofa. No wall, no corners come to their side once they sit on the sofa. So decorate it mindfully. There are so many things you can use, like here I kept a beautiful cushion cover as a placemat, and on it I kept few candle holders in different sizes, flowers in a vase, and some small decor items, and voila! Your coffee table is just going to look vibrant and most welcoming for your guest. This wall behind the sofa. Here I am hanging wall mirrors and small MDF wall shells, keeping few things on the shelves, and the wall also looks just amazing. Walls are not only for hanging paintings. This is also one of the ways to make them look beautiful. So this is the final look for this setup. And comments down below and let me know what you like the most about this setup.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving.
In this look, I'm going to remove this sofa, and instead of this sofa, I'm going to keep a wing chair. Now, if you want to create this look and if you don't have a wing chair, then you can use any accent chair, no matter how big or small it is. I kept this two-seater sofa in the front of three-seater sofa, and this is the basic setup before you begin doing any decor. The corner is still there. Now it's between the three-seater sofa and a wing chair. By just shifting the furniture in this way, it has changed the whole living room, and I'm sure so many of you must have had this kind of living room setup. And if you have not thought of doing it, believe me, it looks very beautiful. Added one more piece of furniture and the whole look has changed completely. Here at this side of wing chair, I am taking this planter, and on top of it I am keeping a plate, and on this I am going to keep a small lamp. On both sides of the lamp, I am keeping these flamingos, and I don't want to overdo here because I have added this wing chair to break the monotony of keeping the sofa together, and also by doing so, it has opened up so much of space, and I intentionally don't want to fill it by keeping the stuff here. Our new corner for a new look is all ready. I have not removed the bookshelf from the corner, but if you wanted, you can, and keep a big plant in the corner. On the other side of the wing chair, I am keeping this wrought iron stool with a wooden top here. On the shelf, some books, and on it, decor piece. On the top, incense holder, Ganesha idol, and a candle holder, and we are done.
Don't be a stranger in the
On the other side of the table, I am keeping a poof to add an additional seat for someone to sit. Near it, a plant in a vase to add greenery, and also it looks beautiful. These festive print frames on wall adds nothing but beauty. There is another way to change the look of your sofa at home. Use sofa throw to cover the sofa, and it will instantly change the whole look. And to make it look even more beautiful, add different colors of cushion. Now let's decorate the coffee table. Here I am keeping a placemat and keeping the flowers in a big vase, candle in a big holder, and small candle holder. Here I didn't keep too many things at the corner or at the sides of the sofa. So you can go by keeping chunky things on the coffee table because it will balance with the rest of the things. This look is also ready, and comments down below and let me know how you felt about this look.
you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
For this look, I'm keeping this big and bushy areca palm at the corner. This plant is just a perfect possibility if you want to decorate your home. It has big leaves, which makes the wall look even more beautiful. In front of this plant, I'm keeping this round stool, and on it, I'm going to keep big Ganesha idol. Now, this is a perfect festive arrangement. The Ganesha under the tree looks calming and also very beautiful. On the side of the idol, I'm keeping a small lamp to light it for the Ganeshji, and a decor item on the other side. Adjust the sofa and make a neat corner near the Ganesha idol. This look is my personal favorite, all Indian and festive. So hanging this beautiful Kutch frame on the wall behind the sofa. At this side of the sofa, I have this partition unit. Here I am keeping this hanging money plant. Adding this planter, and on it a pencil cactus, which doesn't need much light and also looks beautiful. Flamingos in the front and a big candle holder. and our elegant and beautiful corner is all set for the festive season. The coffee table, as I said, this is my personal favorite look because it's very Indian and festive. So keeping the flowers in a glass urli, some more flowers in a big vase, and some candle holders. I have removed the sofa throw for this look and just kept many cushions to make my guests feel most comfortable when they sit here. On this side of the sofa is a floor lamp, plants, and some candle holder. This is the entrance to the living space, so I won't be able to keep many things here because I don't want to create any hindrance here. A yellow carpet and the coffee table on it. Added a poof for extra sitting. This side of the living room is done. Now let's move to this side or the corner. Here I kept a wing chair, cushions to add comfort, and also added a plant just to decorate. This is the other side of the TV unit. Here are some wall frames and on the floor a fiddle leaf fig and some flowers. And voila, this look is also ready. Comments down below if you also like this setup a lot.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment.
All the products which you have seen in today's video, I'm going to provide the similar link which you can very easily at very affordable prices, you can find them on Flipkart. So this is all for today's video and I really hope you all like all the three setup and I'm sure all of them are very easy, and if you also want to implement these ideas, don't forget to share your pictures with me on my Instagram. So I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.